Good morning, kindergartners. Welcome to our morning meeting. This morning, I'm excited because I'm going to teach you a new weather greeting. And this one is kind of like yesterday. I'm going to teach you it using sign language. So today, I heard that a lot of you like thunderstorms. So I'm going to teach you how to sign thunderstorm in sign language, and you can go around and say good morning in a thunderstorm greeting. So here's how you do it. You take your pointer finger and kind of put it behind your ear. You bring it out like this and then bring both fists up and shake them, kind of like the thunder. And then lightning is going to be your hands flickering down like this. So when I put it all together, it looks like this. Thunderstorm. I'll try it again. I'll do it really slow. Okay, so it's thunderstorm. Okay, so you can go around and say good morning in a thunderstorm greeting. I'm going to try it. Ready? Good morning. Good morning. And you can try it at home with somebody too. All right, thank you for trying that new greeting with me. We're going to read the morning message next. And today's date is April 16, 2020. Dear kindergartners, ooh, that's a long word. Today is Thursday. You have Letterland with Mrs. K. That's right, with me. Writer's Workshop with Mrs. Rose, and Gym with Mr. Moostar. Your seesaw attendance post, now this is a big one, so listen up. I want you to write a letter to me about what you did today. You could tell me something that you did, a book you read. You could tell me what you did in Letterland. You could just tell me something you did at home, maybe a toy you played with or a game you played with your family or even a TV show or a video game you played. In your letter, I want you to include a heading. That means the date, a greeting. You're going to say, it's going to sound like this. Dear Mrs. K, today I played my video game and read a book about weather. Or maybe you're going to say, today, Mrs. K, I played a game with my brother and had a peanut butter sandwich for lunch. At the end, you can say love or from and then your name. If you need help, you can look back at the lesson from Mrs. Rose earlier this week for help. You're going to take a picture of your letter so I can see that you did it. Or you could also read it out loud to me if you want and record it in a video. So I hope you have fun. I can't wait to get your letters and find out what you did today. Our last part on our morning message is our student shout out. So we've been doing this a couple days in a row and we're going to have another mystery student today. So I want you to listen closely for the clues. Okay, this student is a girl. She loves Disney and she wears lots of Minnie Mouse outfits at school. She has a little sister and soon she's going to have a new baby joining her family. Can you think who it's going to be? I'll give you one more clue. This person's name starts with an R, and there are two friends in our class that have a name that kind of sounds the same like this one. Can you think who it is? It is Regan. Regan is our student of the day. So I'm going to go ahead and write Regan's name here. Her name begins with an R, and I want to write an uppercase. Then she has an E, an A, G, an A, and an N. Wow, lots of letters in her name. All right, now we have to look at her name. We're going to add up the letters by adding the vowels and then the consonants. Remember, the vowels are A, E, I, O, or U. There's 5 vowels. All right, let's look at her name. Is R a vowel? Nope, I'm not going to circle that one. E is a vowel, so I'm going to circle that one. A is also a vowel. Oh, she has 2 vowels. G is not. Oh, another A. I'm going to circle that one. And N is not a vowel. So I'm going to count the vowels that I circled. 1, 2, 3. And in the first line of our addition sentence for Regan's name, I'm going to write a 3 plus, now I want to count the consonants. 1, 2, 3 consonants. Ooh, boys and girls, look at this. Regan's name is a doubles problem. 3 plus 3, and I can do that by holding up 3 and 3, or I can count up 3 more starting with the number 3. So 3 and 3 is 6. Regan has 6 letters in her name. All right, are you ready to give a shout out to Regan? Remember, you're going to shake your body and yell as loud as you can and say, "Good morning, Regan." Okay, ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Good morning, Regan. We hope you have a good day. Thank you for helping me shout out to our student. That was fun. All right, the next part is our calendar. Yesterday we wrote that it was day 15 in April, April 15th. What number comes after 15? Remember, it's going to be another teen number. 16 is right. And remember, teen numbers start with a 1, so I'm going to write a 1 first. And in the word 16, I can hear a 6, so I'm going to write 6. 16. All right, let's look at what pattern will come today. We'll start way over here. We have a chick, rainstorm, egg, bunny. Oh, I'm not sure. I might have to go even further back. Let's see. Rain cloud, egg, bunny, chick. Rain cloud, egg, bunny, chick. It helped me to go back a little bit further to figure out the pattern. All right, we're going to check our arrows at the top. It says today is Wednesday, but in my morning message, remember I said today was Thursday. So we're going to move all our arrows in the reading direction, one space over. So today is Thursday. That means the day before Thursday was yesterday, and yesterday was Wednesday. Tomorrow is Friday, the end of our distance learning week. Let's check our weather today. Outside my window, the weather is sunny today. Yay! And hopefully it will be a little bit warmer today. I think I saw that the weather today was going to be about 43 degrees. Ooh, let's look at our thermometer. Let's see. It was 34. 32. Today's going to be 43 degrees. That means up here in the space where I write the number, I'm going to write a 43. It's a 4 and a 3. So today it says the temperature is supposed to be 43 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember, Fahrenheit is the way we measure temperature in our country. Now, if I go to the thermometer, I'm going to find the 40, and I can count by 10. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. Now 43 is a little bit more than 40, so I'm going to say it's going to be probably close to about right there. I'm going to go ahead and fill in our thermometer. Boys and girls, what's happening to the temperature today? Is it going up or going down? It's going up, which is really exciting. I'm glad because I want it to warm up. All right, we're going to look at our April tally. Yesterday we came to school for 10 days. What number comes after 10? Let's see, 5, 10 plus one more is 11. And we're going to start a new group of tally marks. So we're going to make a 1 straight down right here. And then we want to erase the 10 because we want to turn this into an 11. And 11 is the start of the teens. 11 is a fun number because it has 2 1s in it. All right, our last part of our morning meeting, of course, is our warm-up, getting our brains ready. But today I'm going to challenge you, boys and girls. We are going to try counting by 2s today. This is called skip counting because we say one number and we skip the next. We say the next number, we skip the next. We're going to try counting by 2s all the way to 50 today. And then maybe tomorrow we could try all the way to 100. But let's just try to 50 today. Remember, you're going to think of an exercise you can do. Maybe it's jumping jacks, jogging around your room if you have space and you're safe, Or you could do a new exercise that you haven't tried, maybe one you've learned in gym. So find your space, make sure there's nothing by you, and let's practice counting by twos. Get our brains warmed up for learning. Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Great job doing your counting by two exercises. I hope your brain is ready for learning today. And don't forget to write me a letter about what you did today and post it on Seesaw so that I know you're at school today. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.